Hello, hi friends and students. This is Naresh. I am teaching mathematics to you. Today onwards, I am going to do video classes on Tet Dsc syllabus. Are you preparing for Tet Dsc? Subscribe my channel. You can get good information from my channel. So let's begin the class. Today I want to discuss about number system, Sankhya Manam in Telugu. So first, to understand whole mass, first you need to know about the number systems. What are the which type of numbers we have? So first of all, natural numbers, it represented with n. So n means natural numbers. In Telugu, Sahaja Sankhyalu. If any objects are there, how can you count the objects? Like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that, so on. So counting numbers are called natural numbers or Sahaja Sankhyalu. Counting numbers. What are the counting numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So these are called natural numbers. In this, what is the smallest natural number? You know that 1. The smallest one is 1. But what is the greatest natural number? Cannot be determined. It is uncountable. This is the set is uncountable, having uncountable elements. So next number system, whole numbers. Purnankalu. Okay. So whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? Natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. So it starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So what is the smallest whole number? You know that 0. The greatest whole number cannot be determined. And you need to understand one more thing. Natural numbers is subset of whole numbers because every element of every number in natural number lies in whole numbers. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So we can say that natural numbers is subset of whole numbers. Means natural numbers Sahaja Sankhyalu అనేవి ఉపసమితి దేనికి whole numbers means పూర్ణాంకాలు. Okay, so next set it is very important. We are representing with I or Z. So I or Z means integers. So what are the integers? Up to now we have discussed about whole numbers. Okay, so to understand the integers you need to understand about positive numbers, negative numbers. What are the positive, what are the negative? For example, I am taking one example to you. 3 persons are there. One person having 100 rupees and second person does not have any money and he does not have any debt also. Next, a third person, he does not have any money. He needs to give 100 rupees to other person. Then compared to these three, first person is in positive, means he is having 100 rupees, means plus 100. And second person does not have any money and does not have any debt, he is in 0. And third person, he has to give 100 rupees to other person, so he has taken borrow some money from others. So compared to these three, who is better? This is the better. Okay, next better one is 0. So last one is so minus 100. So if you go to ascending order, minus 100 negative number, it is in negative. So first person is in positive, second person he is not positive not negative, means neither positive nor negative, and here he is negative. Third person is in negative. So negative, positive. 0 is called neither positive nor negative. Dhana Sankhya, Runa Sankhya. 0 means it is not Dhana Sankhya or Runa Sankhya. Okay, so first ascending order negative, smallest one is negative, next 0, next positive. So this is the order. So like that. So which is the smallest negative number? Negative numbers, how can you write? So on. We don't know what is the smallest. So minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. In this, greatest negative number is minus 1. You may get in bits. Which is the greatest negative number? So the greatest negative number is minus 1. And 0 is called neither positive nor negative. Okay. So and positive, what is the smallest positive number? You know that 1, that is nothing but. So how can you write integer set? So on minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, next 0. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So this is the set of integers. So negative numbers, first from here to here, this is negative, and 0 is called neither positive nor negative. It is not negative, it is not positive. and from here to here positive. రుణ సంఖ్యలు ధన సంఖ్యలు, రుణ సంఖ్య కాదు ధన సంఖ్య కాదు, okay, 0. So this is set is called integers, and you may get some bits on comparison of the integers. For example, you may give the -2 and 2, which is greater. So easily you can say positive is greater than 0 and negative numbers. So positive number, this is 2 is greater than, okay, 2 is greater than -2. And the same like that, sometimes you may give comparison which is greater, -2 or 0. You know that 0 is the greater, okay. So it is in negative, 0 is greater than all negative numbers, okay. So like this is in ascending order, you can understand. So some bits like that also you can get in exams. So integers, so what are the integers in Telugu means purna sankhyalu, sahaja sankhyalu, purnankalu, purna sankhyalu. And you can understand here these two sets are subset to integers. So natural number is subset of whole numbers is subset of integers, I or z, not only z, I also we can write, no problem. So these two are subset because every natural number we can observe in integers, every whole number you can observe in integers. So these two are subset to integers, okay. Next the important set, that is called rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? The number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, pq or integers, and q not equals to 0. This is the condition. So any number is there in the form of p by q, we can call rational numbers. So for example, I am taking one number is -3, one number is 4. So these two are, it is in the form of p by q. So -3, 4, these both are integers. Now we can say it is rational number. And if you take any natural number, any whole number, for example I am taking 4, this one also we can call rational number. Why? Because 4 we can write as 4 by 1, it is in the form of p by q, okay. So like that every whole number also, 0 also rational number. Why 0 by 1? 0 by 1, it is in the form of p by q. 0 is integer, 1 also integer. So these three sets are subset to upasamithulu. Deniki, so you can understand rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? So the number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, we can call in Telugu akaraniya sankhyalu, okay. So sahaja sankhyalu, purnankalu, purna sankhyalu, all these all we can call upasamithulu. Deniki, so rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? Akaraniya sankhyalu. So this is like one family, okay. So for example, for a person is there, a person belongs to particular one village. For example, I am writing so one person belongs to district Mahbubabad, okay, Mahbubabad, and state Telangana, okay, state Telangana, and country we can say that India, okay. So now here a person belongs to Mahbubabad means he belongs to Telangana, he belongs to India also. Same like that, a number belongs to natural numbers. For example, 3 belongs to natural number. We can call this one as whole number also, we can call as integer also, we can call as rational number also. This is like one family. So which is a superior set? Superset means rational numbers. These all sets subset to rational numbers. This one you need to understand. And it is like one family. One more different family is there, it is single type, that is called irrational numbers. So what are the irrational numbers? A number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, and you have to say that this is having different definition. The decimal expansion of irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. So you need to understand non-terminating and non-repeating. For example, 2.346767578 so on, like this is there. This is called irrational number, karaniya sankhya. So here this one, why we are saying that it is non-terminating, there is no end, it is going continuously, okay, and there is no period is repeating. For example, I am taking 2.345 345 345 so on. Now you can understand it is going endlessly means we can call non-terminating. Okay. So and one period is repeating 3, 4, 5, that is repeating. So we can call this one as rational number, akaraniya sankhya, but which is there is no period like that ending is it can goes endlessly means non-terminating is there, we can call irrational number. Example, or we can take root 3, root 2, okay, root 5, root 6, root 4 is not irrational number because square root of 4 nothing but 2. This is rational number. So like that, if these are not perfect squares, we can call irrational. Okay, so same like that, root 2 value is something you can get 1.414 something is there, so on you can get. So the decimal expansion of a number is non-terminating and non-repeating is there, we can call irrational number, karaniya sankhyalu. So this is like one different family. So this is one family. So union of these both means union of rational and irrational, karaniya sankhyalu, akaraniya sankhyalu. This is equal we can call real numbers. We can see in many times vastava sankhyalu. What are the vastava sankhyalu? Real numbers. Real numbers nothing but union of rational and irrational. Okay, like that. So this is the main set. It is like topmost set. And final one more set is there. Real numbers is subset of complex numbers. See, what is the complex numbers? The number which can be expressed in the form of a plus ib. Here a, b or belongs to real numbers. Okay, I means imaginary. Here this is called imaginary part, this is called real part. Okay, I means value is square root of -1. Okay, so any number, for example 3 plus I root 5 is there. Here 3 and root 5 are real numbers, and here I, we can call this one imaginary part. So this one is called complex numbers. This is not non-real. Okay, this is non-real, complex numbers. So you can understand the families now. Rational number and irrational number, their union we can call real numbers, and real numbers is subset of complex numbers. So complex numbers, this is the topmost sets in the number system. You have to remember this one. Okay, so next we have one more different types of sets are there. Just fractions and decimals are there. Fractions means binnamulu. Okay, and decimals, dashamsha binnamulu, we can discuss. Okay, so what are the fractions? For example, this is a cake. We cut into equal parts. Okay, 8 equal parts. So now here the 2 parts shaded. These 2 parts we can write as shaded part. In this 8 parts we have shaded 2 only. So 2 by 8. This is called a fraction. So what is the fraction? Means the part of whole, and means mottamlo bhagam matram. Okay. So here this is called fraction. Fraction means binnamu. Okay. So any part of whole is there, we can call as fraction. So like that we have types of fractions. So anything is there, for example 5 by 6, this is also fraction. And you need to understand every fraction is a rational number, but every rational number need not to be fraction. Every fraction you can observe it is also in the form of p by q, 5 by 6 p by q form. But so now we can call rational number also. Every fraction is a rational number, but every rational number need not to be fraction. For example, I am taking -3 by 5. So it is rational number, not fraction. Okay, -3 by 5. So because fraction always positive, but rational number it may be positive, it may be negative, like that. So like that, this is a sub concept. Fractions is there, and decimals also. So I hope you understood the main concept. We have discussed number systems separately, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers separately we can discuss in future classes. So I hope you understood the concept of today's class. Thank you everybody for listening the class. Subscribe my channel to get more information for TET. It is very useful to you. Thank you. Bye bye.